Well, just when you think that Wilma's done with, she throws more wind at you. Very hard to stand. Oh. It's very hard to stand here. Just the power of the hurricane, extremely strong. Oh, the wind just incredibly strong. Blowing over hurricane force. I can't stand here without leaning. Just incredible, incredible wind. Look over here, look what the wind has done. It's pushed the boat up against the little causeway there over the intercoastal. The Great White definitely getting battered up against that bridge, but I'm getting battered too. All right, it's let up a little bit here, but wow. That's some of the strongest wind I've ever had to stand in. We got another big blast coming here. It's coming right up the intercoastal. Just tremendous wind here from Wilma. Again, the time about 9:45. There you can look up the intercoastal a little ways and see some of the spray coming down. Whoa, Miami, hold on. It'll be over soon, but not right now.